How to create a Fubo TV account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up any web browser and on the search bar type fubo.tv and press enter. Once you do, this website is going to open up. Click on the sign in option. Now over here, you want to click on the sign up button, which is at the bottom of your screen. This is if you do not already have an account. Now, the first step on creating an account is to fill up some details. So here you need to enter your email address, then enter your password. Your home zip code is going to be entered based on your location. Click on the confirm button. Now click on the continue button. Now the next step is to choose a plan. So there are different plans that you can choose from. Here you can check out the prices and also the features. Once you have selected the plan, click on the continue button, which is at the bottom of your screen. Step 3 is to enter a payment method. Fill up all the details about your payment, such as the name on your card, then your card info, billing zip code. After you have entered all the details, click on the Start Free Trial option and your new account is going to be created. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.